Hi family, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Viviana. So today I'm going to show you how you can do individual locks, individual crochet locks like that, and I'm going to show you a method that is very simple and very quick. In 30 minutes you're going to have this style done by yourself. It's all about DIY, so let us get started. You can use any locks of your choice. I'm using these ones. They come like they're curly and they come with a loop, so I am going to show you how my hair is. I just did these small 3 strands, but I didn't finish. Just like a quarter of my hair is braided, the other one is just left hanging. So I'm showing you all that I have as a base in my hair. So that's how it looks like, sweethearts. I have like 70 of them. So I'm going to insert a crochet needle like that, and I am going to pull to insert a loop on the crochet needle, and then I'm going to pull it the other side like that. And then I won't pull it, I won't pull the whole braid. I'm just gonna pull it a little bit. Then I'm gonna take my natural hair and I'm going to insert the needle in that loop, and then I'm going to pull my natural hair on the other side like that. And then after that I'm going to pull that the lock. I'm going to pull it so that the loop is outside on the other side like that. So the loop shouldn't be in between the braid, the loop should be outside, so that when you style, it's not like, it doesn't create a lump, it doesn't become lumpy. So I'm just gonna wrap my natural hair around that part. I'm just gonna wrap it around, and make sure you spread the hair when you're wrapping it around. Don't make it too tight and don't make it too loose, because you want it to look natural, but also you want it to have a good grip so that they don't end up falling off. And trust me, this will not fall off. I'm gonna show you when I'm done. I'm gonna show you how I can pull this the lock, and it won't go anywhere, it will still be in place. So I'm gonna wrap like that, and then the remaining part, the remaining little part of the hair, I'm just going to take a crochet needle and pull it inside the lock. So I'm taking the crochet needle and then insert it in between the lock and pull my natural hair that is still hanging out, just to make it more secure, to give it a good grip, and it's going to be in place. It's not gonna go anywhere. You can stay with this hairstyle for a month or so. Yeah, it depends on how you take care of it. If you wear a satin bonnet before you go to bed, and you make sure you oil up your scalp, and you just use some mousse sometimes, just take care of your hair, girl. So yeah, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for joining the family. We are growing and I love you both. I'm so happy that you believe in me and you decided just to click that subscription button. Thank you so much. I am so grateful to have you guys as my new family. Thank you so much. Kama uelewi Kiingereza guys, kuna channel ya Kiswahili inaenda kwa jina la Viviana TC. So unaweza kaenda na ukaangalia. So you can see my braids are like that. So I'm gonna do the other ones, and then I'm gonna show you again in front. So this is me. I've done everything else at the back, and here I am in the front part. I'm going to show you one more time. I'm pulling my lock inside like that, and then I won't pull it so much, and then I'm just taking my natural hair before I even take out the needle, the crochet needle. Then I pull in the loop inside the loop, my natural hair inside the loop, so that it ends up being on the other side. Then I pull the lock on the other side and make sure the loop is outside. Yes, you see, that loop is outside the braid, it's not in between my braid. Okay, yeah, it's outside. I'm showing you there. So, and then I'm gonna apply some mousse. You can do this or you can skip this part, it doesn't really matter, but the mousse really helps for the hair to match in together, to just blend in together, and to give some shine to your braid. Then I'm combing it just to spread the hair. And then I'm just gonna do the same process. I'm gonna wrap my natural hair around my lock on the beginning, on the root. I'm just gonna do that until it disappears. So this time I'm not gonna use a crochet needle to hide the remaining strand of my natural hair. I'm just gonna wrap it until it ends. Just wrap it and it will stay in place. Trust me on this one. Forgive me about my voice, maybe it sounds not so good. So I had to take a break to just cough a little. I am having this cough, and it's like when I cough, it's like I'm choking. So that's all I did with this hairstyle. I hope you enjoy. You can do this with any kind of lock that you have, you know, and it will be perfectly well done and look natural. So that's all I did. And then the other thing, I'm just gonna lay down my edges after I have slayed my face with a beautiful makeup, and I'm about to reveal my final look to you soon. Please give this video a thumbs up, and also don't forget to just leave a comment. I love reading your comments. I love interacting with you in the comment section. You can follow me on Instagram at vivianatz.official. We can hang out there. I put a lot of beautiful pictures of these hairstyles, also some beauty inspiration, different kind of posts. So let's meet there. So this is my final look, and it looks so beautiful. You can see the individual locks. They're like very neat. They're very natural at the same time, and you can style this hair in any style that you want. You can put it in a bun, you can put it in 2 buns, you can just do anything with this style. That's the beauty of doing individual locks or individual braids, and they're so, oh my god, I love the volume. I love everything about it, and I'm feeling, and they're very light. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I see you in the next one. Bye.